back on the GTO today. Give you a look at the lines on the car today here. That trunk line, bottom line. Here on this side. Come around here, give you a look down the side of the car. Okay, that's good. Right here I'll turn to show you this top trunk line. Really nice. Okay. Get these door lines here. It's pretty good. I've got to finish up on the hood. There's some of these lines up here. They're all pretty uniform. Okay, so I got to finish aligning the hood yet. Get that done. The side of the car, everything looks good. None of these panels fit on this car. It's been a struggle all the way through. Gonna be where we're at with it. I feel pretty good. Said body's decent on the car. As far as straightness goes, a lot of work to get it there before the primer went on. All right, we'll continue on. Let's get this hood aligned. We'll bring you back to make more progress on it. So this is all together now. All the satin black parts. So okay, we'll bring you back. Alright, it's Saturday here today. Sunny outside. 11:45, I'm almost done for the day. Been out here since early today. Block sanding. Looks like a lot of filler, but it's just a real thin glaze. You can see here, you look at the metal, just a thin glaze on it. There's where most of it all ends up. Down on the floor. See what we've got up here, just a glaze over everything. Started here this morning, working our way around. Start marking some highs and lows I'm finding as I go over this before we put the primer on it. Take care of some of these. I hate fixing other people's work. I told earlier in this project that someone else put this lower quarter panel section on. Over here showed how I had to heat and shrink the metal back here where they got it way too hot and so forth. And I just hate this stuff. All these high spots that show up here when I'm blocking, this is all, every bit of this is because of how he works the panel. I hate doing that. I just hate having to try to deal with someone else's work. I need to make it a rule. In order to undo it, we replace a whole quarter panel when someone else hacks it in. So we'll see how it goes. All right, my phone's ringing. I'm going to go get that. Pitch black out here tonight. 7:45. About had enough. Long day. Hand and block sanding out. The one that just keeps on giving. You can see all those dark spots? That's waviness in that door. Just lovely. So I'm going to have to hammer and dolly this door and then put a glaze on it, sand all this out too. This has been the one that just keeps on giving. All right, bring it back when we've got so much more fun. All right. All right. All right. it.